Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix Cash App connection issues. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is head over to your settings, and once you do that, scroll down and then tap on General, and once you're inside General, tap on iPhone Storage, and once you're inside your iPhone Storage, all you gotta do is scroll down until you find the Cash App and then tap on it. And once you tap on it, let me just assume this Facebook is the Cash App, and once you do that, you'll be provided with two options, that is upload app and delete app. Simply tap on upload app, and what this does, it resets the app by clearing all the bugs and glitches which might be causing the issues that you are facing. And once you are done with that, all you gotta do is try again, and that should be working. But if for some reason if it's not working, then what you can do is head over to your app store and then tap on the search icon on the bottom of the screen, and on the search bar simply type in Cash App and then tap on the app. And now once you do that, tap on the app once again and check to see if the app needs an update or not. Sometimes the older version also might be causing the issues that you are facing, so just simply updating the app to the latest version will fix the issue. And that's basically how you can do it. And you can also check your internet connection as well, and if it's weaker, then I recommend switching the Wi-Fi connection or your internet connection to a stronger version or stronger provider. And that's basically how you can do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.